Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to buy or sell crypto in Ethiopia using Binance P2P, this guide is for you. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Tap P2P trading from the home page. To buy crypto, select buy, choose the cryptocurrency you want, enter the amount and pick a seller with a high completion rate. Follow the payment instructions, send the money using the listed payment method and tap transfer once you have paid. After the seller confirms your payment, the crypto will be released to your Binance wallet. To sell crypto, switch to the Sell tab, choose a trusted buyer, receive the payment first, verify that the money has arrived in your account, and only then release the crypto. That's it. Binance P2P lets you buy and sell crypto directly with other users in Ethiopia without using a traditional bank transfer through Binance itself. Always trade with verified users and never release your crypto until you have confirmed that you have received the payment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.